to import 1099 into H&R block. So if you want to import 1099 into H&R block, then just watch this video. So the first step is to gather your 1099 forms. Collect all of your forms, including your 1099 MISC, 1099 NC, and any other relevant, and make sure they are accessible either in physical form or as digital files. After that, you need to log into your H&R account. So search for H&R official website and then click on the federal tab and select income. After that, select your 1099 type. You need to look for investments or retirement and select the form that you need to import, which is 1099B for stocks or DIB for dividends or R for retirement. Now, I need to choose import option. Select the import from financial institution or import 1099 option. After that, you need to select the institution, type the name of your bank or broker, example Fidelity, and many more into the search box. Next, you need to authorize the import. Enter the same username and password that you've used to log into your financial institution's website. After that, review your data, verify that the inputted information matches your document. Some financial institutions may take time to make forms available. If the input says not ready, then you need to check back later and use the manual entry option with your PDF. Or if your institution is listed or the auto import fails, you may need to enter the information manually or upload a compatible PDF if prompted. So here are some required information, which is you'll need to have your broker's tax document ID or login credentials. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.